Okay, this is the method 2. If you have watched the method 1, you will know what I'm talking about. It's about any phone can't reboot. But this tutorial is based on Motorola can't reboot. So if the method you try hard reset, factory reset, everything not work, this is the method 2. The method 2 to let's go. Press volume, press power button plus volume down. To enter recovery mode, do you just enter recovery mode? You see the recovery mode, so here we have the opportunity to turn off our phone. Press volume down to turn off your phone. This is it, and let's launch the tool. This tool called TSM. This tool called TSM is not free, it's paid version. So when you come here, select your brand. Select your brand, and as in Motorola, they have advanced mode here. They have advanced mode. Still, my model number is not is not here. So I'm going to select advanced mode. You see, advanced mode. After select advanced mode, we are going to put our phone back in recovery mode again. Volume, power plus volume down. You see, like this, simple. But if you are not using Motorola, check the link below the description how to perform your hard reset. Use different tool. So you do not damage your phone. Okay, so after I select advanced mode, I need to select factory reset. Advanced mode, factory reset. So you are going to select fast boot mode. You can see reset. Okay, so this is the method 2. So get patient and wait for the method 3, and check the link below the description. Either I upload method 3 or not. So now you can see it is 100% working. So just simple remove here and go here and go here, go here, go here. Escape. And you are ready to go. And also check the link below the description. Either I bring another, I'm going to bring the method 3. Sorry, I have the method 3. I'm going to bring the method 3 too. So check the link below the description. Either I bring the method 3 yet or not. Okay, thank you for this video. See you in my next video again.